Now you've installed your video doorbell, it's ready to mount. You'll need a pencil, a standard posi drive screwdriver, it's similar to a Phillips, a 6mm drill bit. Everything else is provided for you in the video doorbell kit box. Mount the doorbell on a flat surface, about 1.5 meters from the ground. Use the back plate provided. Use the Sky Protect app to check what the camera is seeing. Just check live view. If you're mounting on wood or plastic, use the provided screws to secure the back plate. If you're mounting onto brick or concrete, drill 2 holes with the 6mm drill bit. Put in the wall plugs. Then use the screws provided to secure the back plate. Insert the video doorbell into the back plate. You should hear it click into place. Put the Sky Protect window sticker somewhere passers-by will notice they are being recorded. Use the pin to remove the video doorbell to charge it. And that's it. For more information, go to the Help and Support section or use the chat in your Sky Protect app.